In a small town nestled between rolling hills and a serene lake, two friends, Rahul and Ravi, grew up together. From childhood, their bond was unbreakable. They shared dreams, supported each other through challenges, and celebrated every victory, big
or small. One summer, Rahul faced a difficult time. His father lost his job, and his family struggled financially. Rahul, always a top student, started to withdraw, his grades slipping as he worried about his family's future. Seeing his friend's distress, Ravi decided to act. Ravi, an aspiring artist, created a series of paintings and organized a small exhibition in the town square. He convinced local businesses to sponsor the event, emphasizing the importance of community support. The exhibition drew a crowd, and Ravi's paintings sold out, raising a significant amount of money. But more importantly, it sparked a wave of compassion in the community. People began offering Rahul's father job leads and support, easing the family's burden. Rahul, deeply moved by Ravi's gesture, regained his focus. He realized that no matter how tough things got, he was not alone. His friend's selflessness reignited his determination. He started studying harder, catching up on his schoolwork, and even excelling beyond his previous achievements. Their friendship became a beacon of hope in the town. Ravi's act of kindness inspired others to support each other more, fostering a tighter-knit community. Rahul and Ravi continued to pursue their dreams, knowing that their friendship was a source of strength and motivation. Years later, Rahul, now a successful doctor, and Ravi, a renowned artist, often reminisced about that summer. It was a testament to the power of friendship, a bond that could overcome any obstacle and transform lives. Their story was a reminder that true friendship is about lifting each other up, especially in the darkest times. If you like this video, then please like and share, and help this video to reach to some more people.